the chlorine level that we had tested on this test kit, we had gotten at a 10.5 parts per million. And that's at the upper limit. If this was a public swimming pool, the upper limit for a public swimming pool would be 10 parts per million in the state of Florida. It's just above that, close enough with room for error that 10.5 is right there, really good. So that would be acceptable at this point for a chlorine level on this test kit. Public pools, minimum would be a 1 part per million if it was a pool, and if it's a spa, the minimum is 2, with the maximum being 10 parts per million, just like a public swimming pool would be. So chlorine level is good at this point. It's not high enough that it would interfere with the pH test, so we do not have to do the pH test kit interference intervention at this point.